Hi everyone, thank you for clicking on my channel. If you like what you see, please share, subscribe, and thumbs up. I'm gonna do a logo that you see in almost every YouTuber. It's the subscribe and the bell. So I'm gonna try and create one today. An easy way to do it. Thank you for watching in advance. This is the settings. If you click on this icon here, I changed mine to 30 and 30 and click save. Next thing I do is to right click, new fusion composition. You could give it a name. I think I'll give it a name. I'll call it subscribe. Create. Okay. And you drag it down to your timeline. I'll make my timeline a bit bigger. So now it's 6 seconds. If you look at this. Okay. We'll now go into Fusion. And this is where the magic happens. Okay. Now I'm going to bring an image in from here to use as a reference. So put the image in there. I'm going to get my background image, a rectangle. Bring the rectangle, the background into the media out. Bring this down. Right click, arrange tools to grid, just to make things move a bit more tidy. Okay. Click on the arrange tool, and what we're going to do is create this rectangle, this red rectangle, same size. So if I go over to width and pull it out, and then height, and then radius, corner radius, and I'll change that background to white. So I'll use the color picker and use this color. I'm gonna highlight these two. Control C to copy. Control V to paste. Now I'm gonna drag this into here. It will automatically make a merge. Okay. Now I'm gonna change this one to red. So I'll go over here and color pick that red. I'm gonna get myself a transform. Okay. I'll click on the rectangle and bring the size down. And the width. Bring it down like that. Bring it over. And now I'm gonna get myself a text tool. Add it to the merge to create a new merge. Okay, make it tidy up a bit. And now click on the text. I'm going to rename this subscribe. Click OK. I'm going to rename this one. I'm going to rename this rectangle 1.1 to red. Red BG. I'm going to rename this one to white. White BG. Click OK. Okay. Now click on this subscribe title, and let's find a font. I think I'll use Arial. And regular. Type the text out, make it a bit bigger. Move it. Okay. Now we've got another background and another rectangle. Add it to that merge to make another merge. And now click on the rectangle, and we're going to try and make the same size as that white rectangle here. So we'll bring the width down and the height, and the corner radius, and we'll make that color white. And we'll drag it over out of the way. We'll go back to the subscribe, and we'll make that slightly smaller. Yep. Now we'll make another background, but this time we're using the polygon. Bring the polygon in here. Bring the to the next merge, get another merge, and click on the polygon, right click in here and go to guides, show guides. Bring this down so we can see the screen. Sorry, Control Z. Bring this down. Okay, and now we're gonna make shape. Okay, we're gonna get a rectangle. And now we're going to bring the shape over to here. Bring the size down. Bring it down a little bit more. Pull it back a bit. And change the color to red. And that's it. Now we're going up here to get the bell icon. Now you can go into Google and get this. I'll rename it bell. Okay. We're gonna get the transform as well. Actually, let's get leave the transform there. Let's get the let's put the bell into the background. Get the transform. Put the background into the transform. Put the transform into the merge. And now we need to take this over, bring it up, bring the size down, bring it over, bring it down, size down a little bit more. Okie doke. That's it, looking good. I'll click on the background. We'll change the color to red. And the next thing to do is, okay, now I'm going to do some animation. Take this up to about 90. And make sure to click on the red background, which is this. And just to make sure. Up to 90. I click on the background, Make that red. Go up to 90. Make that still red. On the keyboard, the arrow buttons, you click the right button for one frame, and then you change this to gray. It's a good gray. You go one more frame, click that. Okay. Now we go back to the beginning, to 0, and we play it. Okay, look. We do the same for this play button. Okay, we do the same for the play button. I think I'll rename this play, because I'm getting a bit confused. So I'll go to 0, click on background, highlight that, go back to 90, and highlight that, click one frame, and then use the color picker, pick this, or one more frame, like that. Okay, now we have both of them coming on the same time, so we'll play it, and that's it. Or we'll go to the bell at 125. So we'll go to the background on the bell, click that, go back to 0, click that, go back to 125, go one frame with the arrow buttons, and grab this, get a picker, go one more frame. That's it. So now we go back to the beginning, play, gray, then bell. Okay. Now what I want to make now, I'm going to get rid of this. I need to get rid of this one. Okay. So now I'm going to make, I need a background. Need a polygon. Take it to the background. I think I'll put transform here as well. Put that there. Then put the transform down here to make a merge. Now, I like the polygon, and press 1 on your keyboard. Right click and do show guides. Let's bring this down. Bring this down so you can see the guides. Okay. We're making an arrow. So one click, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, there you go. Now we'll go to the transform and we'll bring the size down, and we'll rotate this 90 degrees and 0. Okay. We'll bring this up to the playhead up to 90. We'll click on the transform. Click on the animate. Go one frame forward and click on the size. Bring that down slightly. Go one more frame and bring that back up. Go one more frame and pull this down. Travel up to 125. We take this up to 125 and we go one frame. We bring the size down slightly. Go one more frame and bring it back up. So let's see if this works. And at 0, we'll mark this. We'll bring this down. Okay, let's see how it works. We click play. So 0.11. Let's see how that works. Go back, play. Okay. Click on the spline Make a light. Press and just click on this. Should be a lot more smoother. Okay, we didn't go back down. Okie doke. And that's it. I hope you learned something. But I'll be doing a few more of these in the future. So let's go into this page. Let's see how it's working out. I'll let it render. Once it's rendered, then I'll play it in the full screen. So if I Control F, full screen, press play. Go to the subscribe. We'll take that up to 90. Merge. And click on that. We'll click the arrow button 1. And we take the size down slightly. We go one more. Bring the size back up to one. We'll go back into subscribe. Go back to 90. I like that. Animation. Go one. Type D in to make it subscribed. Go one more. That's it. Let's see how that works. Okay. Now we'll go to the bell. We'll go to the bell. Go to transform. Over to the bell. Go to 125. Transform. Click on the range. Handle. Rotate. Go one more frame. Go over to transform. Go back to 125. 1 to 5 transform. Click on the animate, the animate. Go one more frame and rotate that to the right. One more frame. Rotate that to the left. One more frame. Let's see how that looks. Where's the subscribe button? Got a problem here. There's a gap in between. Here, I need to fix that. Subscribe. Okay, that seemed to fix it. Okay, let's go into edit, and in edit you can come in here and make this any size you want. So you can bring that down, bring it to the left if you want, and make it whatever size you need to make it. If I go into media, get me a video. Get me a video. Go back to edit and let's bring the video down. And now we got the wrong thing. Got it the wrong way around. And now you can play it. It's rendering. If you go back to 0, loop it, Control F. We go back into, I think I need So now we do this transform button. So at the beginning we can write it. We go back to the end, highlight it as well. And we'll go back here, bring the size down to 0, bring it up to 90. Bring it down. There you have it. Up. We go into edit. We go full screen. See. That's it. All done. Thanks for watching. And if you like, please give it a thumbs up and a like and share. I'll do some more, if you want. I've got some more ideas in my head, so I will do some more. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.